We should all be eco-conscious, especially when we shop, and it's never too late to adopt new shopping practices that will help us and the environment. In today's video, we're going to look at eco-friendly shopping tips. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're a new visitor, kindly subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. We discuss simple tips everyone can do to keep the planet safe. Eco-friendly shopping does not require any special equipment or extra cost. We can save the planet with zero cost. We just have to make the right choices. Stay tuned to this video as I list out the tips. Here we go. One way to save time, money, and the environment is by buying in bulk. This helps you reduce your carbon footprint as you reduce the length of food transportation. When buying in bulk, buy what you need to avoid wastage. To help save the planet, buy local products. This way, you patronize local farmers and help the environment at the same time. When you transport products from far away, carbon dioxide is emitted through transportation. By buying local products, you enjoy the benefits of eating organic food, if they are grown organically, and also help the environment. Farm products are the best source of fresh produce. You can eat healthily and help the environment at the same time. Waste from farm products decays easily without unbalancing the ecosystem. Read the labels on every product. This will help you know which product is eco-friendly. It will also help you know which ingredients are used in your favourite home products. This may seem like a lot, but it's worth it in the long run. Shopping with your eco or reusable bag is another way of shopping eco-friendly. This way, you don't have to use plastic bags from the supermarket. When you choose to buy reusable products, you are certain that the item will stay out of the landfill. With this in mind, we will always look out for alternatives to plastic packaging wherever possible. Make a switch to bamboo products, like bamboo toothbrushes, reusable straws, and the like. The main goal of being eco-friendly revolves around decent core values, which are to reduce, reuse, and recycle. When we reduce the way we shop and the way we use plastics and other non-biodegradable products, we help the environment. If we reuse what we have instead of buying new things and throwing them out after a while, we win, and the environment does too. That's a double win! These shopping tips should help you maintain an eco-friendly lifestyle and become a more mindful consumer. There are several other eco-friendly shopping tips, and I would love to hear your own suggestions or any questions in the comments. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you next time!